Alright, you guys, so I will show you a few days today. We'll start with day 17. I already unpacked my tea and my chocolate, and now we'll unpack the board game calendar. So whatever that will be. And the Secret Santa. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so day 18. I already unpacked tea and chocolate. Of course I did. So we've got 4 little boxes from the board game calendar. You know what? I don't want them sorted. I want them mixed. So do that. And the Secret Santa. Alright, let's do it. Alright, you guys, so day 19. Here's my tea. I already ate the chocolate. And we've got the, come on. We've got the board game calendar here. And then we've got the Secret Santa. So there isn't much left, to be honest. Christmas is right around the corner. And I have to combine the puzzle pieces and then we can see what it looks like, but we'll wait another 2 days till we do that because I need another board because I borrowed my board someone else, so I have to look how I do it. Okay, let's do this. Alright, and here is day 19. So we've got Muse as the board game. We've got a little bit of Mickey here, and I don't know why this just came out. Because my phone fell down, so that might be the reason. And we've got a little bit, well, I guess that's the top corner. It's just some decoration, no Disney characters on there. So let's see how it will go on. And number 20 is coming. Alright, you guys, day 20. So we've got the tea. Just put it here. I've got the chocolate. I haven't eaten it now, but I will in a second. Totally gonna eat it. So that's the board game calendar. And the Secret Santa. Alright, you guys, let's do this. Okay, you guys, so that was day 20 and the last day for today. I will do 21 now, but that will be a different video. Or not? I don't know. I think about it. So we've got the wooden piece here, a nice hot cocoa whimsy with a hidden Mickey on it. And we've got Hermit. He's cute, isn't he? Look at that little boy. And then we've got Tiga. So I guess Piglet will be here. I put them together. So I will do that. I will do another video for the 21st, which is today, and then I will show you everything, how it looks at the moment. But those were the last days I had to get them done. I went on a little cruise, very spontaneous. That's why I haven't got the time to do them. But now I'm catching up. Okay, guys, if you like what you saw, hit the like button. That would help me out and show me that you appreciate my content. If you haven't already, you could consider to subscribe. That would help my channel grow as well. And then we can see us on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.